questions?
Question.
All right. You have a question, you said?
No, sorry.
Yes, go ahead.
No, sorry. I guess repeat what you say. I'm sorry.
Okay. You're good.
My mic is
All
on.
It's okay. Everyone's tired. It's the end of the day. All right. So rule number 3 is for phrasal verbs. And the thing is, some verbs are made up of 2 words. These 2 words are commonly stressed on the second syllables or these 2 verbs are commonly stressed on the second syllable or the second part of the word. Now, here's the thing. There are some noun phrases, right? So phrasal verbs and noun phrases that are the same and pronounced differently, just like some nouns and some verbs, except when it's a noun, it's 1 word. There's no space. And when it's a verb, it's 2, there are 2 words next to each other. Okay? Does that make sense? And in the first one, when it's a noun, the first part of the word is stressed. When it's a verb, the second part of the word is stressed. Cool?
Yes.
All right. So for example, a setup is an arrangement. To set up is to arrange, right? Set up and then to set up. Okay? Hold up, to hold up. Okay? Look out. Someone who's watching over something, right? Look out and look out. Okay, so you're saying, oh, look out. There's a, I don't know, there's a car. Look out. Okay, try out, which is like an audition, and try out. You should try out this new restaurant. Okay, check out and check out. Check out that movie. Okay, turn off something you don't like and turn off. Turn off the light. Cut back is something less of something, and to cut back. Okay, to use less of something. I need to cut back on cheese. Startup is a new company, startup, and to start up, you need to start up that computer, okay? And it's a startup company. Cool? So the first part is set up, the first part in the noun is stressed. The second part in the verb is stressed, okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, sounds good. Do you guys want to say them? Or you guys are okay? Okay.
Okay.
I can't hear. Vote. Vote for me, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So a setup,
It's
Set
set up.
set up,
Set up.
hold up,
Hold
Hold
up.
up.
hold up,
Hold
Up.
look out,
Look out.
look out,
Look
Look
out.
out.
try out,
Try out.
try out,
Try out.
turn off, oh sorry, check out,
Check out.
Out.
check out,
Check
Check
out.
out.
turn off,
Turn off.
turn off,
Turn off.
cut back,
Cut
back.
back.
cut back,
Cut back.
Back.
start up,
Set up.
Start up.
start up.
Start up.